Hello investors and welcome back to Just Randy Stocks. And during this video I wanted to talk about two news updates that happened today, and I also wanted to talk about ticker symbol ASTR or Astra, who just recently went public. I'll also be sharing with you the price action I was looking for. I put in a limit buy for an options play. I'm going to walk you through what I did so you can make your own decision. So first, for the news topics, this Delta variant is accounting for 60% of the new COVID cases in the US. 47 states are reporting a sharp rise. Cases have doubled over the past few weeks, and it's starting to look like it did last year. So I just want to make sure that you're taking a look at the charts, you're keeping up with the numbers, because if there's a sharp rise, there's no telling what this administration could do. Now, getting the vaccination is a personal decision, and I'll leave that up to you and your families to decide whether or not you're going to get vaccinated. But it is a topic, and financially, as an investor, you should know that within the next 14 days, I predict July 29th, we really need to be looking at the charts. So pay attention to see if these cases rise. It could have an impact financially on you as an investor. Now, the last news topic that I think could financially move the market a little bit is these payments that are supposed to start hitting bank accounts for the child tax credit. This was increased from $2,000 to $3,600, $3,000 per child, 6 to 17 years old, or $3,600 for a child that's under 6 years old. People are starting to see these monthly payments go into their account, I think any day now or right now. This has not been popular from what I've seen, and I really don't understand it. It's just an increase from what we're already doing, and it's changing into monthly payments instead of getting the payments at the end of the year. But of course, I don't stand on one side of the fence or the other. I don't have children, so it doesn't impact me. But as an investor, you could see possibly some movement in the market due to this. Now, it's aimed to cut child poverty in half. Monthly payments will be up to $300 per child. Democrats want to make this permanent, and then it should impact 39 million American families. So let's get straight into Astra. There is a $1 trillion global space economy that's starting to form. So Chris Camp is the CEO of this Bill Gates-backed company. So the idea behind this company is to build a rocket factory that brings down the cost by utilizing economies of scale. They are building rockets that are 50 times smaller than the traditionally used rockets. They already have 50 launches under contract. This is generating $150 million in revenue and over $1 billion in additional backlog. There's a tremendous amount of demand in this space and not enough supply right now. The concept is you decide when you go, what's on your rocket, what orbit you're going to, and Astro does the rest. It's kind of like booking a plane ticket. This is the world's largest space company. The first commercial launch of the 3.3 is supposed to take place by the end of the summer. There will be about 12 launches before the end of the year until they reach daily space delivery. So you can see from my screen that this went public July 1st, and it dipped down to around 1282. It even hit 1248 on July 6th, and then here over the last week, we've seen a steady decline of over 24%. So I was looking for an entry because I wanted a piece of this action, but I didn't find out about the stock till a little bit later. So in the day action here, I was waiting for this to get in the $10 range, and this did get in the $10 range, and I went for an options play. So I just want to show you, I got the $10 call for February 18th, 2022. I only got 3 of those, so I started a small position just to save some money to average down, just in case this went a little bit further. So if you want to review the option plays here, of course, I went to the latest one, February 18th, 2022, and what I got was the $10 just to be safe. I wanted something in the money myself. I pushed it out to the very end of the year, well, actually the beginning of next year, and I did a bid price for $3. You can see this went low and it hit exactly what I wanted. So it actually, I caught it at the bottom, fortunately, and it went as high as $3.80 that day. Total volume was good, open interest was good, implied volatility was 84. But up here at the top, you can see they do have $25 available. Strong volume, a little bit stronger on implied volatility. and it went as low as $92 or 92 cents, but if you were to buy a contract, it'd be $92. So just to review this one more time, for those of you that are looking to get in on this action, I would say anything below $3 or below the lows that we experienced today, I would say is a buy on this one. You can see I did it, so make your own decisions, do your own due diligence. But the amount of satellites that are supposed to go into space is supposed to be huge. There's lots of things happening with that. And in my previous video where we took a look at Redwire, you can see in the slides what they are expecting for satellite growth, between now and 2025. So in closing, for those of you that have subscribed to the channel and you're watching this video, thank you for continuing with me on this journey. It's been about 4 months since I started the channel, so thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to keep doing this and doing these even more, so help grow the channel by subscribing, turn on that notification bell, give a thumbs up. It helps other people see these videos and know when to buy low. And then, of course, if you want to, if you don't have a great position, sell high so you can get in lower. But, hold on to what you believe. We're going to try and stay focused on these long-term growth stocks that you want to keep holding, add to your portfolio, and find opportunities to continue to add. But that's all I have, and I'll see you in the next video.